Scoring every time in FIFA 24 or FC 24 is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you and tell you some tips and tricks that you can use to score every time in FC 24. So let me show you how does this things work. This is how the playground or the ground will looks in which you play. So I'm going to teach you there are three different phases. So the first phase is there are a lot of enemies or there are a lot of other teams player. So you just need to have you just need to learn these three phases. So the first phase is how you guys can take the ball from your side to the middle. The second thing is from middle to their side, which should be right here or totally depends upon you. And the last thing is scoring the goal. You just need to follow some instruction in order to get better. So the first thing is try to get as many players as much you can in this side. So what it will do is it will reduce the number of players in their side or in the opponent's field side. And after that, you just need to be fast and you just have to take the ball to the second phase, which is move to the enemy's area. I'm going to tell you some tricks that you can use to score goal every time. So the trick includes is that you need to hold the ball here for a few seconds. You can try to pass it to your friend and you just need to waste some time. What it will do is it will make the keeper of the ball to come out and come in the front. Whenever the keeper come in front, it is easy for you guys to score a goal. You guys can either do the pass and goal. You guys can either do the chip shots. It gets pretty easy when keeper gets out of the goal. So that's pretty much it. These are the tips and tricks that you can use to get better in your FC 24. So hope you guys find this video helpful.